In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the Hyatt Centric Times Square. Located just steps away from Times Square and Broadway, it's an excellent place to stay to explore this vibrant city. It features rooms and suites with great views of the New York skyline, a spectacular rooftop bar, a modern 24-hour fitness center, and a convenient grab-and-go market. After taking the train from JFK Airport, we made our way to the hotel. As we made our way inside, I was surprised how small the lobby was, and there were only 4 seats available. We were hoping for early check-in upon arrival, but we didn't get a room until 4:20 p.m. Let's take a look at our room here at the Hyatt Centric Times Square, room 4804. It's a king high floor Skyline View Suite. So as soon as you walk in, there's a spacious living room area. So let's take a look at it real quick. So there's a big screen TV. They provide a bunch of bottled water. There's a wireless charger and some plugs right there. Some storage drawers. And right here is the Keurig coffee maker. And there's also a small fridge. There's a small office desk right there. And there's a sofa. This actually is a sofa bed, so you can sleep more people in this room. And finally, let's take a look at the view. There's the H&M Tower right there with the One World Trade way back there. Way back there, you can see it. Now let's make our way to the bedroom. Here's a quick look at the bedroom. So there's also a TV here, some plugs to charge your devices, a bunch of storage drawers, and the king-size bed with plugs on both sides so you can charge your devices. And here's another look at our view over the H&M Tower and Times Square below. Can't really see it because of the reflection. And here is the closet, small closet with some more pillows up there, iron and ironing board, a couple bathrobes, and they do provide slippers, which is cool. Now let's make our way to the bathroom. This one has a very nice rainfall shower. Only has a single sink. There's the toilet and a very nice tub where you can relax after walking around New York. So that is a look at our suite here at the Hyatt Centric Times Square. This is what the living room looks like when you pull out the sofa bed. It has a pretty thin mattress, so it's kind of tough to sleep in, but it's there. Let's check out our view of Times Square during the evening. So there's the H&M building right there, and Times Square below with all the lights on. So that's a very nice view from up here. We also have a small window here in the corner. We opted for in-room dining for breakfast, which is served daily from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. We ordered a diner hash and an Uptown smoked salmon bagel along with pineapple and apple juice. We enjoyed breakfast while taking in the spectacular view from our room. For those looking for a quick bite, T45 Market, located by the lobby, features products made by local businesses and grab-and-go items. It's open Sunday through Monday from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Tuesday through Saturday from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Bar 54 is Times Square's highest rooftop bar located on the 54th floor. It features plenty of indoor and outdoor seating with spectacular views of the New York skyline. It's the perfect spot to spend an evening with friends while enjoying a cocktail along with some bar bites. It's open Sunday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. and Friday through Saturday from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. The hotel has a modern fitness center with plenty of cardio machines, strength training equipment, free weights, and floor-to-ceiling windows with views of Times Square. The main reason to stay here is the hotel's location right at Times Square, where we walked around at night to see all the sights and sounds it's famous for. If you're a fan of watching Broadway shows, the hotel lies in the perfect spot as many theaters are right by it. We stopped by the Al Hirschfeld Theater to watch the popular show Moulin Rouge. Radio City Music Hall is a quick 8-minute walk away, and right next to it is the Rockefeller Center, where you can go to the top of the rock to take in this amazing view of the city. We really enjoyed our stay at the Hyatt Centric Times Square. The hotel is modern, clean, and well maintained. Our spacious suite was a nice escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, where we were able to relax and enjoy the views. All the attractions we wanted to see were close by, so we didn't have to take the subway. And if you're staying here, don't miss the fantastic Bar 54 for its amazing skyline views. We highly recommend this hotel for folks who want to be right in the middle of all the action. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.